Hello friends, you are welcome to Jonathan online class. In this class, we have math fun on the board, which we are going to tackle. Do not forget that this is your digital teacher on physics and mathematics, and also your favorite nominee for the ongoing National Olympiad Award for African Olympiad Teachers of the Year, contestant number 29. Okay, then here we have two questions. Number one borders on basic statistics. Number two is simple algebra. Taking it one after the other, we have number one. The question says that if the average of 22, 15p and 17 is 7p, find the value of p. Very simple. Quickly, what we need to do is this. We have here that average, of course, mean is always the simple mean. That's mean, which is sigma x is equal to sigma x over n. Mean, which is bar x, that is arithmetic mean, is equal to sigma x over n, because there is no frequency. The frequency is just 1, 1. So it's just a simple data. Okay, using this now, we have that our mean here is 7p. Summation x means addition of the scores. Then n means the number of the occurrence of the items or scores. So we have that 7p, which is our mean given, is equal to, we have the items 22 plus 15 plus p plus 17 all over 1, 2, 3, 4. All over 4. Simple. So you can cross multiply now. You cross multiply this times this. 4 times 7p, have 7p times 4 is equal to, you add this, 22 plus 15 gives us 37. 37 plus 17 gives us 54. We have 54 plus p. Okay. Now, 7p times 4 gives us 28p is equal to 54 plus p. We collect like terms. So this p will come over here. We have 28p minus p is equal to 54. Very simple. Now at this juncture, 28p minus 1p leaves us with 27p is equal to 54. Therefore, our p is equal to 54 over 27, which is equal to 2, because 2 times 27 gives us 54. So the unknown value p is what? 2. Such that if you substitute it here, you will notice that 22 plus 17 plus 15 is 37, 37 plus 17 is 54, plus 2 will give you 56. And you will check that 56 divided by 4 will give you 4 divided 5. You have 1, remember 1, put here, it becomes 16. 4 divided 16 is 4. So you see that 56 divided by 4 is 14. We are checking the validity of the answer, 14. Now, which is also equivalent to 7 times p, which is 2. 7 times 2 is also what? 14. So the answer is valid. Now, let's look at number 2 task on the board. Number 2 says that for number 2, let's manage here for number 2. Number 2 says that we have to find the value of the square root of x minus 1 if 4x minus 49 is equal to x plus 2. So first of all, we have to solve this simple equation and find what we get as the value of x before we substitute here. Quickly, that will be 4x minus 49 is equal to x plus 2. Then we have collect like terms. 4x, if x comes here, becomes minus what? X is equal to 2 minus 49 goes over here. It becomes what? Plus 49. And this is x comes here, becomes minus x. Because whenever a sign of algebra crosses, or algebraic term crosses the sign of equality, it will change. Minus turns to plus and plus turns to minus for balancing. So we have here 4x minus x remains 3x is equal to 2 plus 49, of course, is 51. So for the value of x, we can now see that for value of x, where we have that We know that our 3x is equal to 51. Therefore, x is equal to 51 over 3. And that will give us 3 divided 5, we have 1. Remember what? 2. 3 divided 21 is 7. That is 17. So our x is 17. So having found that x is equal to 17, that is it. X is 17. We obtain 17. 17. X is equal to 17. Then we now come to this task. We are asked to find the square root of x minus 1 in bracket. So which is, you now find square root of x minus 1. We now imply square root of bracket 17 minus 1, which is equal to square root of what? 16, which will give us 4. Of course, it is plus or minus 4. Of course, whenever I have a square root, we normally take positive value anyway, but whenever I have a square root, it's like quadratic. So you have plus, or you have two values, plus or minus what? 4, because plus 4 times plus 4 is still 16, and minus 4 times minus 4 is also what? 16. So if you must have two values of the answer, it should be plus or minus 4, but we just conventionally take a positive value 4. So we can see that the value of this task is what? 4. Thank you for paying attention to this class. I believe with this you can tackle similar task when you come across it. Do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not done that, and also click the notification button so you'll be updated each time I upload new videos on mathematics and physics. Also follow me on my Facebook page at John Newton Online Class on Nwosu A. Joseph. That is my contest page. Thank you and God bless you. Bye-bye.